Well, John Eric, you asked me to do the unboxing. So here we go. We got our work in. I'm super stoked to see it. Of course, I'm sure the video did not do it justice, but it arrived perfect condition. My little first aid kit. Love it. Let's take a look and see what we got here. Wow, love the security on the handle. Okay. Whoa, dude. Thank you for paying me to. Thank you very much. I like getting paid. Looks incredible. Stickers, which my grandkids love stickers. And a refrigerator magnet. Now let's see what the beauty looks like. Oh my God, you're kidding me. This is gorgeous. Look at this slab. Look at this brick. Look at the workmanship. It is incredible. I can't wait to open it up and take a look. Hopefully it won't take me that long. Wow. The craftsmanship is unbelievable. I mean, this is a work of art. Unbelievable. Wow. In case y'all don't know, it's yellow in the inside. And look at this beautiful thing. I'll do another video dropping some 250s in there to see what that ding sounds like. Can't wait. If I could fill this thing with 20 250s, I'd be a happy boy. But anyway, thank you, Johnny Eric. It's a beautiful piece of work. Great craftsmanship. Super impressed. Definitely be getting another one. Thanks a million.